Onions are 100 times more powerful than Botox. So Chinese women use them to prevent their skin from aging. I'm about to reveal the recipe they use, so save this video to favorite for later use. Take a red onion, peel it, then grate it into a container. Put your grated onion in a cloth, then squeeze it to extract the juice. Now add a teaspoon of cornstarch to your onion juice and stir to dissolve. Pour this mixture into a saucepan, then heat until your onion juice thickens. Put a tablespoon of this mixture in a bowl, then add a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix these ingredients well and your anti-aging cream is ready. Apply it to the wrinkled areas of your skin and you'll be shocked at the results. If you've made it this far, comment on the city from that you saw this video. And if you like this recipe, leave us a comment. Yes, I will try it. Thank you.